Hello everyone. Today, we're learning powerful business expressions for performance and results. Let's walk into that room together. KPIs, Key Performance Indicators. KPIs are specific measurements used to evaluate how well a person, team, or company is achieving key objectives. For example, our KPI for this quarter is increasing customer retention by 15%. When not to use it, avoid KPI in casual conversations. Instead, say important goal or key measurement. Metrics. Metrics are measurable data points used to track performance. All KPIs are metrics, but not all metrics are KPIs. KPIs are the most important ones. For example, we're monitoring website traffic, conversion rates, and cost per acquisition as our core metrics. Deliverables. Deliverables are specific outputs or results that must be completed and delivered. For example, the final marketing report and the financial forecast are this week's deliverables. Do not use it for vague efforts. Deliverables must be concrete and clearly defined. On track. This means progressing as planned and expected. For example, we are on track to meet our revenue target by the end of the quarter. Avoid saying on track if there is significant risk. If progress is unclear, say currently progressing as expected. Off track. This means not progressing according to plan. For example, our production schedule is off track due to supply chain delays.
Avoid using it in a blaming tone. It should describe the situation, not criticize people.
Stretch goal. An ambitious goal that goes beyond normal expectations. For example, our stretch goal is to double our market share within 1 year. Do not use it if the goal is unrealistic. Stretch goals should challenge, not discourage, the team. Milestone. A significant checkpoint or achievement in a larger project. For example, launching the beta version is a major milestone for the project. Avoid calling minor tasks milestones. Milestones represent meaningful progress. Outcome-driven. This means focusing on achieving results, not just completing tasks. For example, our strategy is outcome-driven. We focus on customer acquisition, not just marketing activity. Results-oriented. A mindset focused on achieving measurable success. For example, she is very results-oriented. She always focuses on hitting performance targets. Benchmark. A standard or reference point used for comparison. For example, we benchmark our pricing against the top 3 competitors in the industry. Avoid using benchmark when there is no reliable comparison standard. When you use these expressions correctly, you sound professional, strategic, and confident. But remember, these words carry responsibility. They should reflect clarity and thoughtful leadership, not just business jargon. And perception shapes performance. Thank you for learning with me today. I look forward to seeing you in our next lesson.